However they made this, somebody was in the laboratory cooking. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Christian Danielle, aka Mrs. Always Into Something, and today we got a little unboxing type situation going up. So y'all remember the other day when I was having a whole conniption because FedEx was taking too long to get to my house? Y'all remember this? FedEx, how you just gonna miss the estimated delivery time window when you were right down the street? You were literally not even 5 minutes down the street, like maybe 4-5 streets over. And you missed the estimated delivery time window. Now, because y'all missed the window, now y'all just got an extra 10 hours to deliver my package to my house when you were right down the street. You couldn't just do a little French around. You just out here wasting gas for no reason when you was right here. And then once you miss the delivery time window, tell me why I checked the map again and now you on the other side of the city. Wasting gas. You on the other side of the city when you could have just done a wrench around and brought me my stuff. Cause I ain't trying to wait here all day for you to pull up cause you missed the time frame window. That ain't my fault. Now I'm sitting in the window like a crackhead, looking out the window, checking the map. Maybe he outside. Yeah, I was having a whole fit because I had somewhere to be. I had to be where I'm at right now in this room, okay? And I was trying to get here as soon as possible, but now I got here about 4-5 hours late because FedEx took too long. But it's okay. We got what we need. We brought what we need, and I'm going to show you what I got. So it's that time again. I'm about to take my hair down and do yet another hairstyle. So we almost made it to the end of the month because remember when I put these locks in, I told y'all that I was going to leave them in till the end of February, probably the first week of March. And we kind of made it to the end of February because right now today, as I'm recording this, it's February like 20th. So we almost made it, but these gonna be up out of there before February is over. So next week I'm gonna start taking them out and I'm gonna be on to my next hairstyle. So I did kind of keep it just a little bit in the time frame, kind of, but it is what it is. So we about to take these locks out and I am going to be doing a new hairstyle. I'm gonna be having braided hairstyles probably for the rest of the year because I just want to let my real hair just rest, leave it alone. I've been working out a lot. I've been going to spas. I've been going to saunas. I've been, walking, doing my 3 miles a day, heavy in the gym. So it's like, I ain't trying to mess with it. So we about to have all the braided styles throughout the rest of the year. Now, I know I told y'all that I wasn't going to buy no new hair. I said this so many times that I was not going to buy no new hair because I have drawers and drawers and more drawers and boxes full of hair. But I had to buy this hair. And two things are for sure when I tell y'all stuff. Okay, most of the time I'm going to tell y'all the truth. 99.9% of the time I'm going to tell y'all the truth. 99.9999999%. But that 1% of the time that's going to be a half truth is when it comes to certain things with my hair. Not certain things, just two things with my hair. When I tell y'all I'm going to keep a hairstyle for a specific amount of time, it's most likely it ain't gonna be a lie, but it ain't all the way gonna be the truth. Because usually I get sick of a hairstyle in 2.5 seconds. I'm surprised I left these in for as long as I did, but they are coming out next week. So I kind of made it to my goal. But when I say I'm gonna have a hairstyle for a set amount of time, just know that most likely I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna have something different. And then the second thing that's gonna be half of a lie is me telling you that I ain't gonna buy no new hair, because if there's something new on the block, I gotta try it. So what did I get? What is in this unboxing and what am I about to show y'all? Well, if you've seen the title, which you did because you clicked on this video, then you know that I placed a purchase from YWigs, okay? So I don't know if you guys have seen this new style of crochet hair that's on the string. I feel like it's fairly new. A lot of people know about it, but it's not, I don't think, as popular just yet. So I had to place an order and I had to get me some so I could see what it do, because the type of hairstyle that I'm trying to do next is going to be similar to this, but it's just going to be braids. But I feel like the hair on the string is going to make an extreme difference. So I ordered some and I'm about to show y'all. This is the FedEx package that I was waiting on. I did not open it at all. Did not open it at all. It's still closed. I waited to open it with y'all so that I can give you guys my 100% honest opinion of what I think about this hair when I open it. I want you guys to have a raw reaction of what this hair is giving from me as I open this together with y'all. Like I said, this hair is fairly new. I've only seen like 2 companies so far have it, where I ordered it from YWigs, and then there's another company, I can't think of the name right now. And even when I was looking up like crochet string hair or bulk hair or whatever hair, I found some videos, but these girls wasn't tagging the companies or linking the companies, so I just thought like, oh, dude, I don't know how I'm gonna get it. And then I found one girl here on YouTube, I forgot her name, but she had a lot of followers, she had a lot of hair videos, she makes hair videos, and she had a link to this company. She seemed like she was trustworthy, and that's what we like, trustworthy. We like people who we feel like are gonna tell us the truth, because you know, a lot of people out here making content for coins and not really using this stuff or like the stuff or none of that. They getting free stuff sent to them and just telling y'all to buy it, because a lot of people on this internet lying for some coins, okay? And I know we like to find trustworthy people over here and make sure the things that we're spending our money on are going to good use. So the girl seemed trustworthy, so I purchased the hair through her link, and we're gonna see today if this hair is good. The hair did come from China. I did not have to pay any extra fees or anything like that, because I know a lot of people are saying that things are either delayed, they're having to pay to get their stuff off the dock. Like, I don't know. Came FedEx, I ordered it, let me see. So I ordered this hair February 9th. It came on the 19th. The hair did come from China. I paid $135.06 for this hair. It's 2 bundles of natural 20-inch knotless pre-separated crochet extension human hair in deep wave. Okay, that's what's in this package. This package feels a little light, so we gonna see what 2 packs is giving. So if you order 1 pack, it's actually 2 packs. So say you want to get 4 packs, you just need to order 2. So it'll tell you that in the description. I will link the link down to this hair in the description box. Like I just told y'all, I did pay for this with my own money, because I did not want to reach out first and try to get an affiliate link. I wanted the authentic product. I didn't want them to know that I'm a YouTuber. I didn't want them to know I'll be on social media. I didn't want them to know nothing, because we're going to get their authentic product by shopping as a customer and not an influencer, right? But if I end up liking this hair, then I will reach out to the company to try to get y'all a little discount code or whatnot. If I can't, I can't. Either way, I'm gonna link a link down in the description so you can get this hair if you like to check it out. So let's open this up. Open it up. It comes in this little pack like this. It says YWigs on the front. Your hair, your way. And let's see. Oh, well, dang, this was in here too. And the bag feel real light with this in here too. But this is, they send you a little kit, a crochet kit looks like, with your hair. Which, this is cute because I needed a few more of everything that's in here. It comes with a crochet hook. It also comes with an edge brush, a comb, a rat tail comb, and then 2 clips. 2 clips. So already YWigs, y'all got 1 point for giving us some tools, but the real question is this hair gonna be what we like? and if it's good, and if we think it is a vibe out the package, because y'all know how hair is nowadays. Hair is, you get what you get, okay? You just gonna have to cross your fingers and hope you get something decent, because hair is nothing, absolutely nothing like it was in 2009, 2010 era of hair. Because the way I wish I could go back in time and get that one purchase that I made from Genesis Virgin Hair again. When I tell you I did not have to style that hair, I could curl it once, style it once, go to sleep, wake up, shake the hair, and it just fell into place. We ain't getting hair like that ever again in life. But nowadays we just gotta work with what we could get. But let's see what the hair is giving. This is what it looks like in the package. Kind of give you a rough idea of what 2 bundles looks like. It says there's 2 bundles of crochet in here, so we gonna see. So I'm gonna open it up like that. Let's take off this little net. It has this little net that's over it. Take off the net. I'm gonna untwist the little shaper thing. Oh, well, yeah, there is 2 bundles in here. 1, 2, and smells how all hair smells. It doesn't have any nasty, crunchy smell to it. The hair, it is soft. I will give him that. It is soft. This is what it's looking like. Deep wave. It's actually pretty. It's supposed to be 20 inches, so 20 inches on me is coming about right there. However, the way that I'm going to put this in, I'm not going to put it in like crochet hair. I'm actually going to braid this in. I just feel like braiding this in is going to be a lot better than using the bulk hair that you braid in, because it's already on a string. So let me show you. I'm gonna untie this so I can show you how it is on the string. I'm interested to see what it's looking like on the strip and on the string. So, okay, come off. It actually is a lot of hair in these 2 bundles. There's a lot of hair in these 2 bundles. Because look at the 1 string. So 1 strand looks like this. So you have these 2 strips of hair on this 1 strand. You see it? You see how it is on the strand? On the little string that holds, the string holds both pieces together. And I do think this could be a situation, whoever invented this, they did their big one a little bit. So it's basically the hair is in some type of, you're not probably going to be able to see it on camera, but there is a, like a little, right here, it's a plastic piece, and all the hair is probably like welded or melted into the plastic piece, and then the string is put inside the plastic piece looking like with the hair, and then they somehow, however they made this, somebody was in the laboratory cooking however they made this. So I'm feeling like this little situation right here just might be the way to go, because this is a lot of hair on 1 strand of hair. So all of the girls that I've seen use this hair, they actually crochet it in, and I'm not going to be doing that. I'm going to braid my hair, and I'm going to braid this into the braid. So we're going to see how that goes. We're going to see if it works. I'm going to try to figure something out with this, because I just feel like this would be so much better than the hair that I used in these. So I'm going to have braids like this part of my hair, and then I'm going to braid this into the braid like so it can hang like this, and then just leave pieces out along the way. I think this would be very cute and easier to braid in, unlike the actual just bulk hair, because the bulk hair, if it was 20 inches, you would have to bend it like this and your hair ends up shorter. This already is longer with the string in the middle like this. So I don't know, we're gonna see how this goes when it comes time to install, but the actual hair itself, is passing the vibe check right now. It's definitely passing the vibe check right now, and me having to pay for this hair out of pocket was not a bad thing. I don't feel like anything is wrong with the hair out of the package. The hair seems like it's full enough on the ends, because you know a lot of times when you order hair, especially from China, you get it and it's super thin on the ends. The ends are not stringy. They're, you know, not as full as the top, but they're not as stringy as they could be. I hate it when you get some hair and it's thick, and you get right here and it's nothing but strands of string. No, this hair is full from top to pretty much bottom. So we're gonna see how this hair shows up when it comes time for install. But as of right now, she's passed the vibe check, okay? Vibe check of this hair. Can't wait to check it out. Can't wait to try it out. And of course, you know, I'm gonna bring you a little video when it comes to install time. So if you want to try out this hair, y'all, check this hair out. The knotless pre-separated crochet hair with no loop on the string. I will link the hair down in the description box for you guys, and definitely be on the lookout for a new hair video coming up soon and very soon. But until then, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and all of that jazz, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell 4 more friends, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.